There's no hiding it. This market is terribly bad right now. There's a lot of fear in the market. Bitcoin has gone under $90,000. And guess what? We're still doing the $3,000 giveaway. So make sure you check out the giveaway down below and you might even win some money. And just 7 days remaining until we let you guys know who's going to win. So please do enter if you are out there in the crypto space. I know this sucks right now, so we're trying to give back and at least make someone out there smile in these markets. Now, let's have a look what's going on. We can see the Bitcoin season. We're still very much in it, but looking at the market cap of crypto, we've gone under $3 trillion. We did not want that to happen, not at all. So of course we came up from euphoria, hit 3.7 trillion, and now we've trickled down and seen $900 billion worth of crypto removed or liquidity from these markets. It's a massive valuation taken out of the crypto markets right here. So it's not what we wanted to see. So yeah, let's just talk about kind of Bitcoin. You know, crypto is crashing, obviously. And when you look at the price structure, actually, we've been here many, many times. We've seen this price level for Bitcoin many, many times in the last 3 months. In November, we saw it in December. We also saw this price level in January and, okay, you know, February as well, just momentarily. But the last day itself has been, you know, this is where things just look ugly in the last day because that's a big 5% crash there. And that's a lot, right? That's for Bitcoin, which is stabling out and getting larger by its market cap, 5%. That's quite deleterious. You know, that's not good for sentiment. And people are feeling that. But just typically looking at Bitcoin right now and where it is, you know, where could the bottom be for this particular part of the bull run? It really depends on two things. Is this market over and finished? Or is this just going to be the little downside play that we might see for a few days or weeks, and then we get a reversal to the upside? If we look at what happened last time in 2021, you can see Bitcoin, of course, came up to an all-time high, but then it actually came down 50%, stayed down 50%, and then went back up into an all-time high territory. If Bitcoin was to do the same thing from its recent $108,000-ish all-time high, then we'd see Bitcoin actually come back down to 50K and then go back to all-time high. Whether that will happen, I don't know. But, you know, we could potentially see that like classic 30% correction. So I'm starting to even think, you know, if we do come down, that somewhere around $75,000 could be where we might see Bitcoin fall back down to. If this happened, you know, would I be scared? I think it will suck. And I think a lot of people get shaken out of the market, but we could potentially then bounce back up. And, you know, that is a realistic play. You know, what I've just drawn here, this arrow here, this is something that could potentially happen in the market. Like, I don't know. I'm hopeful. I'm optimistic. If something like that played out, I think that's really healthy for the markets to have the shakeout, to come back down and then chill for a bit, and hopefully get like a blast around sort of April or something all the way to the upside. And I think that will be it. That will be, you know, the end of the bull run. And then we trickle back down to our accumulation target. So yeah, I think local low where we could potentially see Bitcoin go is like 75 to 80K. And we can still move up and still make all-time highs after that. Hopefully, you know, we can just hold where we are now. But, you know, right now it's a very, very rocky market of bad sentiment. Trump has completely ruined things. So overall, it's very hard to, you know, say for sure. Ethereum also tumbled down insane amounts right now, looking really crap. We had loads of overhead resistance, as you can see, at around the $4,000 region. But right now, ETH is just down so much. It really isn't looking good. It's down 39% from its local high. It wasn't even an all-time high. And yeah, it actually almost came down to my dollar cost average region at $2,150. We can see there is tons of buying pressure and big buybacks around this region. So this is potentially a good area to get into Ethereum if you are still bullish on the Ethereum narrative. I know not many people are, but it's been getting sold massively. So I don't know what's happening behind the scenes there, but Ethereum is taking a huge L in this particular market right now. And yeah, you know, Ethereum could still tumble back down, you know, even lower, like $2,200. It might even slip away and actually lose $2,000 momentarily. I honestly don't know, but this is just how sour the market is looking right now and how kind of bad it is. On a diagonal sort of support basis, you can see just there, looking at this line, it's still kind of trickling along and jumping along, crabbing along this diagonal line, which is, you know, long term, you could say, yeah, we're producing every single time a higher low. Every single time ETH does come down, you know, the low is higher, the low is higher. The low was higher here, the low is higher here. So we're producing these lower highs. And, this could be the major shakeout time in the market, but it could also be the time where if you look at what happens every time we hit the low, we come back up, hit the low, come back up. Hit this low, do we come back up? That is the big question. That is the question that everyone wants to know. So I'm still hopeful, and until we really go down to these alarming levels, then I don't think there's a confirmation of this market being over. Look, guys, whether this market is up, down, left, right, sideways, you can check out my Patreon down below. $4 a month to get in. We've got some other tiers too, but you can see the traders are making gains no matter what is going on in the market. These are the trades that they got today and some of the huge wins that they made. So do become a patron. The link is down below. Amplify your crypto portfolio, enhance your crypto journey, and potentially make more money in this market. So please do check out my Patreon, like I say, down below, and get signed up to BitUnix or to KSEX. They've currently got new user rewards, no KYC, globally accessible exchanges. Two beautiful exchanges right there. I'll let you pick which ones you wish to use. Personally, I really like both of them. So, I like to use both of them. But yeah, guys, market's rough. Appreciate it. Let me know down below how you feel about this market. What are you doing right now? And yeah, $3,000 giveaway. Share it with your friends. Let people know. Enter. Got 1,000 entries. Only a week left to go. Thanks for being here, and see you guys soon. Stay crypto safe, stay peaceful, stay humble, and I really hope we're going to see these markets recoil to the upside. Bye.